In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear center tail light on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located on the lift gate. Let's get started. We're going to remove the trim for our lift gate. To do that, we're going to get our fingers right behind this panel and we're going to pull straight down towards us. When you do that, you'll hear the clips pop. Using a plastic trim tool, you're going to go to the corner. You're going to pop this corner out and down. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to pop the plastic handles out, get behind that lip and pop it out. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to continue going around the outside of our panel, pulling down, releasing the tabs. Continue going around, removing all of the clips. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. Pop all the clips, and we have two connections that we need to undo before we remove this rear trim. We're going to remove the connector. To do this, there's a tab on this back side. You're going to lift up on the tab and remove the connector. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the panel. Remove the connector for the center tail light. Push on the tab, pull straight back. Remove the connector. Remove the three 10mm bolts inside of this area. Go repeat the same process on the other side. Continue moving down the line. We have two more 10mm nuts. Go ahead and remove both of them. And repeat the same process on the other side. Remove the connector on the left side. Push on the tab, pull straight back, and remove that connector. We're going to tuck this up behind that sheet metal towards the top of the tailgate. We have two 10mm bolts on the outside of our tailgate. Go ahead and remove those. And do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go to the outside on either side of our tailgate, and we're going to pop our tail light out. Go do the same thing on the other side. We're going to grab our center tailgate light and remove it from the vehicle. Using a T10 bit, we're going to remove the two screws for our camera. Remove the two screws and remove the camera. Install the camera into the new light assembly. Drop it down into place and get both of those screws started. Get both of the screws nice and snug. Install the center tail light into place. Be sure that the camera harness goes into its hole. Push it all the way down to the grommet. Make sure that grommet seats properly. Put your taillight harness through the tailgate. Make sure all of your tabs and pins are lined up correctly. And we can pull the assembly down into place. Install the bolts for the outside of the tail light. Snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bolts. Snug the bolts down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the nuts onto the studs. Snug it down. Continue down the line. We have one more. And repeat the same process on the other side. Install the connector for the camera. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connectors for the lights on the tailgate. Do the same thing on the other side. Get them fully installed. Make sure they click into place. Line up all the clips for the tailgate and push them into place. Get the inside corners pushed up into place. Go around and set all of your clips. I like to give it a pull and make sure it's not loose in any certain spot. Install the handles. Be sure they click into place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.